What's good with y'all young boys, man? What's good? You feel me? But nah, today's video, man, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to add money to your trading account. I use Hanko Trade. I'll put the link in the description, but this is how you do it. First off, you need an app called metamask. You need metamask, okay? You need metamask. This is how you buy the crypto. It's only ETH. It's only ETH. I'm showing you right now. Like, this is like the tabs, like for BAS, for like the credit card, Apple Pay, PayPal, or a bank transfer. And these are all of the currencies that you can buy from MetaMask. So you got everything here. You can't get Bitcoin. You cannot get Bitcoin, but you can get everything else. These is all the coins that you can get from here to put into your trading account. I personally use ETH. I just use ETH because it's the simplest. I mean, it's the little brother of Bitcoin. If you didn't know that, ETH is like the little brother of ETH is like the little brother of Bitcoin. So yeah, so that's what I use. You can use any coin you want to use though. Then you put in an amount. I already put in money into my account. Put like $58 into my account. I put that in already. So yeah, so this is all of the different options that you have that you can choose from to buy the ETH. You can use MoonPay, Cerdine. I use MoonPay. I use MoonPay. I want to use the little fish one too. I want to use that one because that one really cheap. I ain't gonna lie, it's real cheap. But it don't matter which one you use, whichever one floats your boat. I just use MoonPay. So yeah, click MoonPay. Low, do, poof, poof, poof. That's my credit card right there. Put your credit card number in there, man. Put your credit card number in there. I'm going to blur my shit out because y'all niggas be, on some weird shit. So you put it in there, then you'll buy it. I'm not going to buy it because I bought some already. But you'll buy it. This is how it look. I'm just going through the different options, I believe. Yeah, I'm going through different options. So you do that. Then once you buy it, you get it, right? Now, this next step, you have to go to Hanko Trade. You have to go to Hanko Trade. You have to, whatever broker that you have, go to your broker. I don't know how y'all broker work, but this is how my broker work. It's Hanko Trade. I go there. Then I press deposit. Yes, deposit. Then you click the account that you want to deposit your bread into, right? That $58 that I just bought an ETH off MetaMask, I'm finna send it to my trading account now. This is why cryptocurrency is important, because people like me use it every day to get money. You feel me? So this is why you gotta be on the type of time. But so when you click your trading account, then you select the crypto that you bought. I got Ethereum. These are all the options that you can use to deposit. I got Ethereum. I have ETH. My guy. I have ETH. I got that ETH. That Ethernet. What are you talking about? Ethernet. Like Gatorade, Ethernet. So yeah, boom. So you see that long ass bolded letter with numbers and letters. You want to copy that. That is the address. That's the wallet. This is your wallet's address. This is like sending it to your homie off Zelle. This is your Zelle contact name. You feel me? So you copy that. Then you want to go back to MetaMask, right? Then you want to click the ETH that you bought, right? And press send. Then you want to paste that link that you just copied right there into that box. Yes, that easy. Send. You want to put the amount you want to send to your account. Me, I'm putting 58, but it take taxes and stuff like that too out. Not even taxes. It's just send it take out a little fee to send this money. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So you want to use the match you can use. Sometimes you might got to use like a little less because of that little fee. So if you get like $60, you want to send 58 because it's gonna take out like $1 or some shit like that to send it to your Hanko Trade account. So if you got 1,000, if you want to send 1,000, you got to send a little more, like $1,005 or some shit, or how much the fee is. So you got to send a little bit more, and you got to do the same thing when you taking money out. I'll do a video on taking money out, but this is how to deposit money into your account. I'll do that later in another video. So boom, I sent it over. Okay, now we gotta wait a couple minutes. You could choose the option to speed it up, or you just keep it the regular time, but it usually goes pretty quick. These are all of the transactions that I did to my broker. You know what I'm saying? It's not a big amount, just little money I just been sending into my account just to show y'all that this stuff is legit. It's not fake. It's legit, and it will go. As you can see, you see no failures. You see no fails, 100%. If you do it the correct way, like I just showed you, you'll be fine. You feel me? Sit him down. Sit him down. Sit him down. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's really it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new, man. I'm finna show y'all that hit my account next in the next clip. But yeah, man, I'm Kevo, man, join the gang, and this how you know, put that bread in that account, baby. Ain't in that right now. That's a little trade I was in for my funded accounts and stuff like that. I'm just waiting on it to drop in. Hold on. All right, there we go. You know, sit him down, sit him down, sit him down. But yeah, man, it's enough. Let me know what y'all think, and if this video give value, I love y'all niggas. I'm going, man. Peace.
I turn around, man, this bitch, I'm killing shit like I'm Herb. You can't fuck with me, I do that shit, I rap this just to burst. All the fuck you talking about, bitch, I'm against it on me. And let be the fucking till you fucking know me. I'm Kevo gang in this bitch, 100 kind of way. Bitch, we in this bitch, T every fucking day.